In our previous episode, we followed the remarkable journey of asparagus, from the field to premium markets around the world. But asparagus is only the beginning. As spring gradually gives way to summer, another remarkable harvest reaches its peak across Europe. This time we arrive in the vast pea fields of France. As one of the signature crops of the spring-summer season, peas have helped shape human nutrition for centuries, providing an important source of plant-based protein. Today, the global pea industry generates more than $36 billion every year, making it one of the world's most valuable vegetable crops. By late May, changing temperatures and favorable microclimates signaled the start of peak harvesting. Across the French countryside, thousands of hectares of pea fields are harvested within an incredibly short window to capture maximum sweetness and quality. Unlike traditional hand harvesting, modern pea harvesting is essentially a fully mobile processing factory operating directly in the field. The harvesting begins as powerful pea viners move across the fields at approximately 5 kilometers per hour. Low-mounted pickup systems gently lift entire pea plants from the ground and feed them into the machine. Within seconds, high-speed threshing drums separate the peas from their pods with remarkable precision. At the same time, a series of vibrating screens and cleaning systems immediately return leaves, stems, and vines back onto the field, recycling valuable organic matter into the soil, while allowing only a clean stream of bright green peas to continue through the machine. Inside the harvester, enclosed conveyor systems operate continuously, processing an astonishing 100 to 200 tons of pea plants every hour. The cleaned peas are elevated into onboard storage tanks before being transferred directly into trucks, traveling alongside the harvester without interrupting the operation. But the race has only just begun. Unlike many other crops, peas begin losing their natural sugars almost immediately after being picked. Every passing minute reduces their sweetness, making speed one of the most critical factors in the entire production chain. For that reason, processing facilities are synchronized with harvesting operations so closely that the factories are often waiting for the next truck to arrive. Within just 1 to 2 hours after leaving the field, the peas enter highly automated processing plants. First, they pass through advanced washing systems using recirculating cold water, rotating drums, and vortex flows that remove soil, sand, and other impurities while protecting the delicate peas from damage. Next, vibrating screens and optical sorting systems inspect every single pea, automatically removing empty pods, damaged peas, and foreign materials with exceptional accuracy. The selected peas then undergo rapid blanching at temperatures between 90 and 95 degrees Celsius for several seconds. This critical step preserves their vibrant green color, locks in nutrients, and deactivates natural enzymes that would otherwise reduce quality during storage. Immediately afterward, the peas are rapidly cooled before entering IQF, individual quick freezing technology, where every pea is frozen separately to maintain its shape, texture, and freshness. Finally, they are automatically weighed, sealed into retail packaging, and transferred into a continuous cold chain system, ready to be distributed to supermarkets and consumers around the world. From precision harvesting in the fields of France to state-of-the-art freezing technology, every pea completes an extraordinary journey in just a few hours, preserving the flavor of early summer long after the harvest season has ended. In the next episode of YieldStream Global's Harvest Series, we'll uncover another incredible crop and the cutting-edge technology that brings it from the field to your table.